Welcome, you are listening Radio Central News. I'm Chandni and now news in detail. Farmers protesting against the centre's new agri-law blocked the Jaipur-Delhi National Highway in Shahjahanpur of Rajasthan's Alwar district on Sunday as police stopped them along the state's border with Haryana while they were marching towards Delhi. Several farmers' organizations marched through Behror, Shahjahanpur and Kotputli region of the state to reach Jasinghpur Khera border. Swaraj Abhiyan leader Yogendra Yadav, social activist Aruna Roy, and Medha Patkar and CPI leader Amra Ram also reached Shahjahanpur along with farmers. However, police did not allow them to proceed forward. We are squatting on the highway in support of farmers. We are ready to vacate the road if we are allowed to march towards Delhi, Yadav told reporters while apologizing to the people for the inconvenience caused to them. Kisan Panchayat President Rampal Chaudhary is also continuing with his protest along with farmers on Haryana-Rajasthan border highway as police did not allow them to move forward. Farmers affiliated to different farmer organizations are reaching Shahjahan border. We want the government to repeal the new farm laws and for this, we want to march towards Delhi, said Chaudhary. While CPI leader Amra Ram said the centre should withdraw the three anti-farmer laws. We do not have any intention to block the Jaipur-Delhi highway. Police have stopped us from marching towards Delhi, which has led to jam. We want the centre to withdraw the anti-farmer laws, Amra Ram said. Due to blockage, vehicular traffic on the Jaipur-Delhi National Highway had to be diverted through Bansur and other routes of Alwar, police said. One-way traffic from Delhi to Jaipur was later opened for traffic, but Jaipur-Delhi highway is blocked due to the agitation, they said. Police administration is keeping a vigil on the border areas in view of the agitation. India's COVID-19 caseload rose to 98.57 lakh, while the number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 93.57 lakh, pushing the national recovery rate to 94.93% according to the Union Health Ministry data update on Sunday. The total coronavirus cases mounted to 98,57,029, with 30,254 infections being reported in a day. The death toll rose to 1,43,019, with 391 new fatalities. The data updated at 8 am showed. The number of people who have recuperated from the disease surged to 93,57,464, pushing the national recovery rate to 94.93%, while the COVID-19 case fatality rate stands at 1.45%. The COVID-19 active caseload remained below 4 lakh for the 7th consecutive day. There are 3,56,546 active coronavirus infection in the country, which comprises 3.62% of the total caseload. India's COVID-19 tally had crossed the 20 lakh mark on August 7, 30 lakh on August 23, and 40 lakh on September 5. It went past 50 lakh on September 16, 60 lakh on September 28, 70 lakh on October 11, crossed 80 lakh on October 29, and surpassed 90 lakh on November 20. Delhi recorded 1,984 new cases of novel coronavirus, taking the total number of infections in the city to 6,07,454, the Delhi Health Department said on Sunday. The national capital's COVID-19 death toll crossed the grim milestone of 10,000 mark to 10,014, with 33 more fatalities recorded during the past 24 hours. Meanwhile, the death rate stands at 1.65% according to the Health Department's data. Total 2,539 people have also recovered, taking the total number of recoveries to 5,80,655. With these new recoveries, the positivity rate of the capital reached 95.58%. Now the city has 16,785 active cases. Total 72,335 tests were conducted during the last 24 hours. Of these, 35,611 were RT-PCR gold standard tests. So far, the city has conducted more than 72.22 lakh tests. At present, the city has more than 6,500 containment zones. BJP President JP Nadda on Sunday said that he has tested positive for the novel coronavirus. In a tweet in Hindi, the BJP president said, "On getting the initial symptoms of corona, I got the test done, which has been reported positive. My health is fine. I am following all the guidelines in home isolation on the advice of doctor. My request is those who have come to my contact in the last few days, please isolate themselves and get tested." Mr. Nadda had recently visited West Bengal for a 2-day tour to Kolkata as part of the 120-day tour of the state of West Bengal, where the assembly election is due next year. Pakistani terrorists were gunned down and one associate arrested in a joint operation launched by police, army and CRPF at Poshna area in the mountainous district of Punch in Jammu and Kashmir. Police spokesman here said that the slain terrorists have been identified as Sajid and Bilal. 2 AK-47 rifles, 1 UBGL on Thurisay sat phone were recovered from their possession, said the spokesman. He said that as per reports, a joint patrol of the police security forces launched searches at Porshana area in Poonch district after it received credible inputs about infiltration of anti-national elements in the area. While the searches in the area were going on, police made efforts to persuade the hiding terrorists to surrender, but they fired on the search party, initiating a gunfight. In the ensuing encounter, 2 terrorists were eliminated and 1 associate has been apprehended, said the spokesman. He added that they were affiliated with proscribed terror outfit LET. That is all for the today's news bulletin. Stay tuned to Radio Central News for more updates.